How to get $120 Temu promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you'll find the search box. Type in temu.com and search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can go ahead and click on this icon and type in your Temu account's credentials and log in for your account. After you log in, you can go through the items and select the items that you want to purchase and add those items to the cart and proceed to checkout. While you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, you have to paste the code and you'll get the discount. Now, where can you find the code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Temu promo code and search for it. Now over here you're going to find different website links. All these websites will provide you Temu promo codes. Using this website you can get up to $120 promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. Just scroll and check 30% coupon, 10% coupon, $15 coupon and many more. Just scroll down and check. Once you find any of the offer that you are satisfied with, click on View Offer. So I have selected 10% off. Now I can copy the code, head towards the website of Temu, and then head towards the page of promo code. Over there, paste the code and proceed to checkout. And with that, you will get the discount in your purchase. Also, you can try out these offers. Also, you can go through these websites as these websites will also provide you tons of working promo codes for Temu. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $120 Temu promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.